Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken porridge with egg, which is my lunch today. It's simple to make. You need some ginger, onion and garlic. Here is some shredded chicken. I made chicken stock earlier with 2 hard-boiled eggs. Here is some boiled soft rice. Heat up the pan with oil and put in the ginger, and then the garlic and onion. And then cook it until you smell something very delightful. And then add the shredded chicken to it and mix it with turmeric powder. The brown bits are the best part because they make it taste yummy. Add in the chicken stock, then mix it, and then let it boil. Pour it into the soft boiled rice. You can add more chicken stock if you want. Cook it for a while and it's ready. You can put some carrots or broccoli. You must eat at least 5 different vegetables per day. Add an egg, sprinkled with soy sauce, and dried onions. Garnish with spring onion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.